So what you can also do is get a proper framework for a certain task if you want to. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and say, design a proper framework for a game development project related to space invaders, let's say, for example, and I'm going to go around and say, give me the framework as graphics in SVG format right here, just like this. So if I were to go ahead and do that, then what happens is that it'll choose a particular a framework for it, and then we'll generate out a graphics accordingly. So it says the search service is unavailable, so that is totally fine. So you can see that this is what you have. So it says like there's a framework for Space Invaders game right here. So you got the core components, you got the game architecture right here, just like this. You got the mini game loop, the game over, the technical stack, and so forth, as you can see all of it in detail. And you can see that you have the SVG graphical representation right here as well. So you can see that it is generating out everything right here in rectangles and everything out right here. And then what happens is that you'll get a solution out of it. So you can see that it is loading right here. So let's just go ahead and let it complete generating. So this is what you have. So if I were to go ahead and run the HTML file right here, then you can see the framework right here, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and then generate out frameworks as you like inside of DeepSeek. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.